Hi. Hi, Travis. Hi, Brooklyn.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, Travis.
So pretty. So pogi.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, Travis.
I told
How
them a
you doing?
secret, guys.
What secret?
What's secret? Huwag niyo sasabi. Guys, it's not even funny. Why are you laughing? Look.
What is it?
I told them I have a baby na.
Ba't tinawanan ka?
What's funny? It's a
Yung tawa ni
secret
Travis.
nga.
Who's your
Travis,
boyfriend?
Huh?
Who's your boyfriend?
I told you I'm a single mom.
Oh, you're gonna have a baby.
Yung mga
Is he adopted?
I'm a I'm a single mom.
Then where did you get her? From the old house?
From my tummy.
Who's gonna... Then who you need a husband first?
No, I'm a single mom.
Where is she now?
Which one?
Your baby.
I'm hiding it. It's a secret nga.
Then why are you not taking her?
Kaya nga tagal ko nawala, di ba?
Where did you put her? You give her a maid to take care of her?
Yeah, a guardian angel.
Ate Melen?
No, nawala nga may alam kayo lang. Oh, tas you're laughing at me pa.
Can I tell you something? Can I
Ayun,
tell you something?
you're laughing. Oh, what? May secret ka din.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you know at the Ateneo school,
Oh,
a guard,
oh.
they told me they're pregnant.
Oh, what's funny?
Kasi Charlotte,
Hala. Oh, tapos, anong Charlotte?
Ellie said, Ate Jessa is pregnant.
Walang tulog. Ay, uy, ikwento mo yung ano mo, yung may contest ka bukas, di ba? Uy, meron yung quiz bee. Quiz bee ba yun, Baba? Ah, may contest. Ah, tingnan mo, proud na proud siya. Ikwento mo. Ah, ano yung mga position ng ano mo, ng classmate mo? Dali, dali.
My classmate is the tinker.
Tinker yung isang classmate niya.
My other classmate is the drawer.
Oh, drawer. Ikaw.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Ang galing. Ang galing-galing ng pamangkin ko. Taga-erase.
Good job, Travis. Good job, Travis. So proud of you. Ikaw yung pinaka-importante dito.
Ang galing, no? Ang masama
Important
doon, yung
role.
teacher pa daw niya yung nag-assign sa kanila. Proud na proud siya.
Teacher niya.
Ang cute.
Ano teacher niyan? Para makurot.
Brooklyn!
Pero hindi ko ini-expect yun. Nagkakita lang ako ng ano.
Where did y'all go?
The eraser.
Tinker, drawer, painter.
Bro, oh, don't tell me your secret, To
I'm not
Emma.
even telling you.
Eh, why are you laughing? What's funny? Ha?
You might hear about it.
Wala, hindi ko pa nasabi kay Tori.
Can I tell you secret, but don't tell it to Brooklyn.
Oh. Ha? May pinakita kasi akong baby sa kanila. Sabi ko, ito na yung baby ko. Pinag-usapan pala nila dun sa loob. Ano pinag-usapan niya about my baby? What did you say? Sabi daw ni Brooklyn, is it true? Sabi mo daw kay Travis, pangit daw yung baby ko. Eh, ano yun?
He's the one who said it.
Ha? Ba't pinagtatawanan niyo yung baby ko? Ang awi na nga ng tummy ko kakaalaga sa baby ko.
Crying.
Ang sarap pagtripan.
That's not
Clueless nila. Ang cute.
Tami yung sumakit ka kaalaga.
Okay. Yan na yung mga convo namin. Oh, what? Binabackstab nila yung baby ko, oh.
Pinakitaan mo daw kasi ng baby.
Sanggol nga yung pinakita ko, binackstab po.
Baka yung yung trend sa TikTok. Yun pala.
Yung video.
Umakyat ako kaya ako nawala.
So, hanggang 12 tayo.
Tayong dalawa?
Oo. FaceTime na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-live.
Ba't kasi hindi ka tumatawag?
Sige, mamaya.
Taga.
Sandali, hangin kami dito?
Magandang live na ako.
Hi, Charlotte. I miss you.
Just woke up.
Yeah.
Ang ganda naman ng boses. Ang ganda ng bungad ng morning voice.
Grabe naman yan.
Ano na naman yun? Ano na naman sinasabi
I
niyo?
said the baby was cute.
Guys, tinrust ko kayo ha sa secret ko. Tapos pinagtatawanan niyo lang ako.
It's Travis' fault.
Hindi na ako magsasabi ng secret sa inyo ever again.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
Because
Okay.
you're laughing, that's your baby.
Kasi you guys are laughing at me. Wala namang ginagawa yung baby ko. You know what? Ano mo ba kung ano yung name ng baby ko?
What?
Brookvis.
No, boom, no, boom, boom, boom,
Ano?
Brooklyn is Brooklyn 1 and the other baby is Brooklyn 2.
Isang baby lang yun. Ginawa mong dalawa.
Twins pa nga.
Brookvis.
Brooklyn 1, Brooklyn 2.
Are you crying?
Yeah, cause you're funny.
Why does kids laugh but they're not crying?
Ha?
Why does kids laugh but they're not crying?
I'm OA kasi.
I rot? Who's rot? Huh? Brain rot? I think you. Talk about something. No. Just one. No, you keep talking about Bum Bum's baby. But don't tell it. Okay, fine. Come. Yeah. No. Come.
Okay, I'm gonna leave now.
No. Bye, love.
Bye, love.
I mean, bye, life. Bye, life. Brooklyn. Brooklyn 1, Brooklyn 2. Brooklyn 3.
Brookvis. Brookvis. Brookvis.
Brookvis.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Brooklyn.
Bye na.
Bye na.
I'm gonna wash up.
I'm gonna go back to the room of love.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Babalik ako.
Weh.
Yeah.
Balik ha.
Charge lang ako
Makapag-hintay
saglit.
kami.
Peace.
Okay. Mabalik.
Ano na?
Babalik na.
Tumalis.
Magwa-wash up.
Mo wash up.